Hello, Elizabeth. How old are we today? 11 months old. Baba. And Mama. What else can you say? Can you say Mama? How about Dada? Dada? Bonks. What do you see out there? See anything? What's outside? Is that Dada? Did you say Daddy? Is it? It's Daddy, isn't it? Yeah? Daddy. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Hey, Mama? Lost interest.